Hello everybody. What a difference a few hours make. We've been hard at working on the roadway here, and as you can see, if I get down a little low on the left hand side, we've pretty well cut up all the weeds that were here, piled them up in the gutter here. We just got done basically picking them up. I'll walk up the road here a little bit, and you can see how clean this is along the road looking into our mango field there. And we'll probably have to rake it up again and that clean up the little bit that's left over and that. And also at the same time, Doro and Andoy trimmed the trees that were here and that, and we'll have to pick that up, and that we're actually going to sit and run the wire down the trees here, which it looks like they've kind of started to do here. Wow, looking really good, so that at least our fence is back up. A big difference from yesterday evening when I put the first video up here. Oh yeah, they've attached it. They're way ahead of me here. I've basically been in the house working to upload and that, and in the meantime, my guys here have really done a good job at keeping this all up and that, and basically tacked the wire to the trees here, looking down the road, and then trim the trees here, so looking at our mango field there, so looking really good. Looking very good here. We've got to get these branches picked up, and a lot of that will be trimmed so for firewood, but looking wow. And then eventually in here we're going to plant the bushes. Wow, yeah, right along here, so the same way as our driveway looks, there's going to be bushes that we're going to grow up here as more or less a hedge along our roadway here, kind of like to block off the view just a little bit and that, but this part of it is looking really good, So, and they still got to string this little bit of wire here, but I want to get a nice hedgerow in here. I think it'll just help the appearance and everything like that. I've always believed very strongly in being a good steward to the property that you own, to anything that you buy and you own. To be a good steward, take care of it, and be proud of what you have. You know, it's all a gift anyway when you really come down to it. And maybe in some later video I'll talk about what drives me and my faith, and the consequences of that, and how it's made my life so much richer than it already is. Thanks for viewing. Like and subscribe, and I'm heading back up the road here. I'm sure Beth's got something going up there. It's almost lunchtime here, so gonna say goodbye for now.